it's day 6. No, what? No, that doesn't make any sense. Yeah, I know. It's day 9 of Vlogmas. Day 9. Oh my god, day 9. Well, it's not the morning anymore. It's lunchtime. And I'm here with my cat. And I'm about to have lunch. And yeah. I'm gonna have an English class. And then I'm gonna have a class that I actually teach. So yeah, let's get ready for the day. Today I feel like we should open all the days that we haven't opened yet for the advent calendar, and that's day 7, day 8, and day 9, that is today, obviously. So let's open them right now, right when it's still day, when we have daylight, because I've never opened my advent calendar during the day. So let's do that now. We've got 3 days to open. Let's do it. We've got day 7, the piece of chocolate, and the quote that says, "It's the little things in life." Short but good. Okay, now day 8. Day 8. Piece of chocolate and the quote that says, "Don't stop until you're proud." A very good one too. And finally, today's day, which is day 9. The piece of chocolate and the quote. Throw kindness around like confetti. It's true, we have to be kind, and you know, everyone likes to throw confetti, so why don't you throw kindness like confetti? Yeah, we should start doing that. And yeah, that's it for the advent calendar. Now we're good, we're updated on the advent calendar, and obviously I'm not gonna eat this whole chocolate right now. I might offer some to someone, to my parents, I don't know, to someone who wants it. And yeah, I think that's it for now. I'm gonna get ready because it's like 1:30, and by 2:30 I need to be at the English center. So yeah, I should be getting ready now. So let's get ready.
Careful what you say, this time of year tends to weaken me. And have a little decency and let me cry in peace. But there's a place where I erase the challenges I've been through, where I know every corner, every street, name all by heart. And so it is a part of my courageous plan to leave, with a broken heart tucked away under my sleeve. I wanna go home for Christmas, let me go home this year. I wanna go home for Christmas, let me go home this year. I'll pack my bag 'cause we act more like strangers for each day that I am here. But I have people close to me who never will desert me, who remind me frequently what I was like as a child. And so it is a part of my courageous plan to leave, with a broken heart tucked away under my sleeve. I wanna go home for Christmas, let me go home this year. I wanna go home for Christmas, let me go home this year. I don't know what my future holds or who I'll choose to love me, but I can tell you where I'm from and who loved me to life. And so it is a part of my courageous plan to leave, with a broken heart tucked away under my sleeve. I wanna go home for Christmas, let me go home this year. I wanna go home for Christmas, let me go home this year. I wanna go home for Christmas, let me go home this year. I wanna go home for Christmas, let me go home this year.
I know that I haven't filmed too much today. Yeah, I had my camera with me for this last part of the night, but I didn't have a memory card, so I couldn't film. And well, let me explain. I went to the cinema with Celia and we watched the Allied. I have no idea how you say it, but it's something like that. It's the one with Brad Pitt, and it was good. A bit, maybe a little bit predictable. Yeah, maybe a little bit predictable, but it was good, you know. Yeah. Tomorrow I have to wake up quite early for a Saturday because we've got someone coming to the house to have the radiators put on, because well, right now I have a radiator in my room, which I didn't have before, and we've been living in this house for quite a long time, and well, that's life. You can't have everything right at the beginning, so we're having it now. We're having radiators. Yeah, we're having radiators put on the house tomorrow, and we had today we already have a few put, but tomorrow we're gonna put the last ones, and yeah, I have to wake up early. So it's midnight 30 and I'm gonna get myself ready to go to bed. Yeah, let's call it a night. I'm going to sleep now. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it was too boring, then well, I'm sorry. But yeah, this was my day and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!